Ma'am,
in Google Meet.
yes, ma'am. Google Meet, the joining meet, that is the present, the way I've shared the Meet ID, that is what you are talking about.
I'm talking about if we are told to make a common link for our classes. Like I'm teaching 7th to 10th. If I've been told to make a common link for my classes forever, so can students misuse that link? Is it possible or is it feasible? Or students can also misuse the link?
No, ma'am. As a host, you have only the authority to enter or to accept any other. For example, for the present meeting, I was the host, so I have only the authority to accept all my participants, and none of my participants can use this link to be the host. For example, if you are the host, only you have the control over this link. Nobody else in your group can open this meeting again, because this will again, yes ma'am, this will. And ma'am, for 7 to 10 you must be using different links for each and every class, or the same link for
Yes.
each and every class.
I have some hesitation for using the same link because I think that as a teacher we should keep the record also of our class. So daily if we are taking class and we are sharing the link daily with the students, it's a record that we are taking the class. If a same link is given to the student for a period of time, wherein the record will be kept that we have taken the class on that day.
Actually, ma'am, I'm sharing the same link for all the classes is a big hindrance, because anytime any of the student from any of the class can enter any other's class. For example, there is a single link for 10th and the same link is applicable for 7th. So you are teaching in the 7th, so that link is active. So my 10th student, the student which is in 10th, he can also access the same thing, no, at that time, and he will
So
be,
there is a security issue in
yes.
that, and that is why I have not complied. And all the staff members have made they've been told to make the same link, but I want to go about with the different link every time I'm taking the class because I think that's better. Because
Acha.
there will be a record also
Ma'am, now I understood your question.
that
You were,
I've taken the class on that day.
मैम यू वर टेलिंग कि द क्वेश्चन इज 7 से 8 तक के बच्चों का सेम लिंक होगा.
नहीं नहीं, आप मेरी बात सुनिए, मैं क्या कह रही हूँ, आप मेरी बात सुनो. मैं 7 to 10 तक इंग्लिश पढ़ाती हूँ. ओके, आई टीच 7th 8th 9th and 10th. If I've been told to make a same link for teaching 7th, for teaching 8th, for teaching 9th and 10th, I have reservations. Nobody else has reservations. Why I am having reservations? Then where will be that record that I've taken the class? If presently I'm giving daily different link.
Okay,
But now,
understood, ma'am. Understood your question, ma'am.
yes,
What? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what the authority or what the people are telling is like, ma'am, we can schedule a meeting. Scheduling a meeting. If my
scheduling, I know I'm daily scheduling my meetings with a new link, and I've got the record also because as a teacher, I have to show the record to the administrators also that I've taken the class. Sometimes if I fall sick or I report sick, okay, I'm not able to take the class and I inform the principal or anybody, and that link can be misused or there can be some commotion that why madam is there not in that link. So I have that reservation, that same link, if it is given to class 7, that Shikha madam will teach class 7 with the same link. So I think that's not workable. Maybe I'm right or wrong, I don't know. And it can be a hindrance, I think. What are your views, madam?
ma'am, let me share what we are doing, ma'am. Like the thing is, if there is a meeting which is recurrent, every Monday I am having a lecture from 9 to 10 in class 10th. So what I can do, I can create one link for all the subsequent lectures throughout. Right from today, I am going to have my lecture every Monday from 9 to 10. So
Okay.
I will schedule the meeting, recurrent. I have to tick the option.
Yes, recurrent meeting.
Yes, I have to take the option recurrent meeting, and in that setup, that will be very helpful, even very useful for me also, because every time I am opening this way, I have to every time I have to join a meeting and then again send a
Okay.
new link to every kid. So that will be a bit of hindrance for me also. But once I will create and schedule a meeting for every Monday 9 to 10, I am blocked with one particular link. So that is my link. None of my student will can enter other.
Okay.
Yes, but the thing is 9 to 10 is your lecture, and the students who are associated with you for that particular lecture should only have that link, because none of the student from outside should enter that particular time slots. So that is true. If you have,
Yes, yes.
as principal ma'am was telling me, that one link for one class is the best option, ma'am. If you have that scheduled recurrent meeting, that will be okay for you also, because ma'am, once you will save it in on your laptop, you don't have to press or enter it again and again. You just have to click. Your laptop will have the history records. You don't have to do anything
Yes,
for
I
it.
know that.
Yes, ma'am. So that is the best option, ma'am.
And what about the record of my classes?
Ma'am,
Recording?
for
That
recording,
means what is the record that what are taught on that particular day?
yes, ma'am. For a particular day, if you want the recorded lectures of yours, your
No,
particular,
no, no, not lectures, only the topics. Suppose for 1 month, for 3 months, I've created a similar link with recurrent meeting. Okay.
correct, ma'am.
But I'm teaching after 2 or 3 days, I'm changing my topic. So then what will be the record that I've changed the topic and what I've taught to show to the administrators or the observers and the school administration.
Okay, so ma'am, for the record
The
purpose,
similar link.
for the record purpose, you must be maintaining some lecture plan or date-wise topics, date-wise lecture plans or date-wise topics. So ma'am, that will be well enough.
Yes, yes, yes.
So for ma'am, for different links, if you are telling me with different links, you are getting different slots or different recorded topics. So
Yes. In calendar, I'm getting. In calendar,
in
Google
calendar
calendar.
you are recording, ma'am. That for that we
I'm having.
yes, ma'am. For that actually we should actually use, and again, ma'am, in different apps we are having different folders for specific dates. So you are adamant to use Google Meet only.
Okay.
Yes, for actually in
Okay.
different things, we are having one folder for a particular date. In that folder only, all my details will go. My recorded lectures, my whiteboard sharing, my canvas, everything will be
Okay.
date wise saved. So that is also one of the features which are
So I have
available with.
to get that app.
Yes, ma'am. That is available, ma'am. Actually, that is available already. We
Just because of record, I was telling
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Okay.
That is already created. Many apps are supporting it, because date.
Okay. Can you tell us about such an app
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to
that
show
can
you. I'm
record?
going to show you my for
Okay.
example, ma'am, in Zoom we are having this facility, because as I told you, that is specifically designed for teacher and student. So they are having that date-wise folders, and I'm going to show you my folder that I have kept. And in Google Meet, one can have various tools, or you can make your own folders, different folders, date wise. So
Okay.
I'm giving you an idea,
Okay.
ma'am. I'm giving you an idea for this. Let me share my entire window so that you can have the idea. Ma'am, this is my, if you can see in the documents, I have not made this thing. This is automatically made folders. See, ma'am, this is date wise, time wise, and the name of the host. You can see.
Okay.
Now you can
Okay.
see, and if I'll go for any of the
Okay.
class, this is the class in which I have recorded these many audios and one video. And
Okay.
if I'll go for another date and another, even you can see the timing also. And ma'am, if I'll
This
go
is
for,
available in Zoom only or
ma'am,
on Google Meet also, I think.
that is what I'm telling, ma'am. This is the feature which is available for only Zoom. If you are going for Google Meet, you can create the same thing manually. Manually, this way you have to create. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So for example, this is what I have taught on this particular date, and even it is showing the time also.
Okay.
So this topic is
Okay.
taught at a particular date and a particular time. So I have this specific on this folder, and the time was mentioned. So ma'am, this is one of the very good feature. And even if you go to Google Calendar, ma'am, the
Google
doubt.
Calendar I'm using it.
Yes, ma'am. If you know the Google Calendar, ma'am, then it's okay. Then in that you can track the records and can make the different folders by yourself manually.
Now I'm getting with different links. I know how to keep a record. I'm keeping the record also
Yes,
because
ma'am.
daily I'm using different links. But
Yes,
I have reservations with the same link. That if I will give the same link for all my classes, for for one class, if I'm giving one link, then how I will keep the record of my daily lecture or whatever I'm teaching. That is reservation I'm having because I'm not so tech savvy
Yes, yes,
So I
ma'am.
wanted to
Ma'am,
inquire.
I can understand, even if we are using for any tool for the first time, we do have many challenges to face.
Because that hesitation is there.
Every time,
And
ma'am.
even with the how students can misuse, because I talked to one of my colleague in another school, he says, मैडम ऐसे कैसे होगा, अगर एक ही लिंक होगा तो बच्चे उसको मिसयूज करेंगे, और अगर आप कभी उस दिन क्लास नहीं ले पाए तो फिर बच्चे को कैसे, अगर उस वक्त इन्फॉर्म नहीं किया है और बच्चा उस लिंक में आएगा तो वो भी परेशान होगा.
अच्छा
बस यही रिजर्वेशन.
नहीं मैम, अगर आप किसी दिन क्लास नहीं ले पाए और बच्चा उस लिंक को दबाएगा मैम, he will not be able to access that meeting because the host, ma'am, the host is not starting up the meeting, so he will not able to enter the meeting by his own.
Okay, that I did not know.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as a host, you only have this. Okay.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks.
Acha, okay, Kaur ma'am, I'm coming back to you. Kaur ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
sure.
this is the thing that I'm sharing about the Zoom app. But ma'am, please tell me, आपने कोई link दिया है, and even if the host is not present, can the student enter?
No, they can't.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. That is the only, because that is the thing. That is the thing which should be there for the safety purpose.
No, it's not possible.
Okay, Vikas sir.
Survey, madam.
Yes, sir. Vikas sir. Vikas sir is asking.
Yes,
Vikas sir, you have written a doubt how to verify G Suite admin account for educational institute. So, educational institute, my suggestion is that educational institute should purchase G Suite because G Suite has various features. All the recording I am telling you all these means because we are not having this free options. As a tutor, I don't have the free options available with me, but as an institute, if institute purchase the G Suite account and it will have its own version, then you need not to worry about anything. You will be having, even in Google Meet, you will be having recorded lectures. Many extra features will be available to you all if you have the Google Meet purchased option with you. That is paid version for a year, for 2 years, maybe based on your requirement. So that is, these are the different options that I am telling you when my version is free. So all I am telling you the recording options and all. Yes, sir.
मैम इसमें ये है कि एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए उन्होंने फ्री किया है गूगल ने, जो मैंने ट्राई किया और एडमिन अकाउंट क्रिएट भी कर लिया, वो क्रिएट भी हो गया सक्सेसफुली.
करेक्ट.
एंड डोमेन मैंने क्रिएट कर लिया, वो डोमेन भी क्रिएट हो गया. एंड ऐड द यूजर दैट ऑप्शन इज आल्सो अवेलेबल, उसमें ऐड भी हो गया.
ठीक है सर.
बट प्रॉब्लम ये है मैम कि दूसरे यूजर्स को सेम डोमेन पे लाना चाह रहे हैं, तो वेरिफिकेशन का इश्यू आता है. और वेरिफिकेशन
सर मैंने ये किया है सर. आई हैव आल्सो डन इट. Sir, the thing is, for verification, sir, you should own a website. आपकी खुद की एक website होनी चाहिए. Sir, I have done it because I do have, one of my student is a dropshipper and he has his own website. So we have done this thing. But sir, उसमें भी आपको free version केवल 14 days के लिए available होगा. 14 days. Yes sir. Even if you will have this all thing done, अभी आप verification भी कर लेंगे because I have done it. सर मैंने उसमें वेबसाइट लॉगिन किया एंड आफ्टर वेबसाइट आपको वेबसाइट में डोमेन नेम सब कुछ मिलेगा एंड विद डिफरेंट जो godaddy.com होता है जिससे हम अपनी वेबसाइट बनाते हैं सर, वहाँ पे हमें पासवर्ड सब कुछ मिलता है. वी वेरीफाई इट. ये पूरा प्रोसेस करने के बाद वी हैव ऑल द फुल वर्जन अवेलेबल. आई हैड रिकॉर्डिंग ऑप्शंस ऑल्सो. लास्ट मीटिंग जो हमने की थी वो मैंने गूगल मीट पे ही रिकॉर्ड किया था बिकॉज आई वॉज यूजिंग दैट फीचर. And after 14 days it got expired and all the features are now normal, which are freely available are now with me. Now I don't have Google Meet recording options with me.
Okay.
Yes sir. Any other doubt sir?
I have another doubt. Today what happened to me, I was taking a class 10, I was teaching through Google Meet and suddenly the electricity went off. My electricity had gone. At that time, after 10 minutes, the electricity came, but the students were logged in during the class. When electricity had gone, I could, because I was teaching on the laptop with Wi-Fi, and at my home, electricity was not there, just for 10 minutes. But after, when electricity came, then again I started my meet, then then I found that all the students were there in the class, and they were chatting and they were sharing things.
Oh,
So there
ma'am.
is security.
Yes, ma'am. This is something that is to be needed. देखिए, एक बार I am the host, जैसे कि अभी हमारी बात हुई मैम के साथ, जब तक मैम मैं होस्ट हूँ, मैंने सबको एडमिट कर लिया. जैसे
हाँ,
आज
यही हुआ.
आज मैम जैसे हुआ, आई लेफ्ट, मैं लेफ्ट हो गई, बट आप सब तो यहीं पे थे. आप
हाँ.
सब तो थे, फिर मैं री एंटर हुई तो आपके पास अथॉरिटी ऑलरेडी थी मीटिंग में अंदर आने की, तो यू वर ऑलरेडी देयर. अभी हम नहीं हैं तो पीछे से ऑल स्टूडेंट्स विल बी इन द मीटिंग, और वो मीटिंग
Yes.
में रहेंगे. एंड बट मैम, द फीचर्स विच आर अवेलेबल विद यू एज अ होस्ट विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड टू एनी वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, जो भी उनमें से किसी एक को ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा.
हाँ, क्योंकि आज मेरे साथ ऐसा फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ. For 7 days I'm taking classes. I'm new to Google Meet, but I'm trying. But it happened to me today. In class 10, I was teaching in English, and suddenly electricity had gone, and I was teaching laptop and Wi-Fi was. I didn't have any other medium to take my class. Then after 10 minutes, when electricity came again, I joined in the meeting to say goodbye to everybody and tell them to leave the class. But I saw that they were chatting and they were there in the meet. So I thought security issues can arise.
Shikha ma'am, yes ma'am, I understood your question. For this, if any time you can come, you can rejoin the meeting, that is applicable, because you have your own link. Anytime, whenever the electricity comes or whenever you have the access to the internet, you can rejoin the meeting without anybody's permission, because you are the host.
I joined, and they were there. Students were there
ma'am.
unattended without me.
Yeah, they will be there,
It
ma'am.
happened.
They will be there. That is the negative. They are the few disadvantages of online teaching also, that if we will leave the class, the students will remain.
Yes, first time it happened to me today.
Yes, ma'am. Somebody is
Survi ma'am.
Yes, sir.
मैम
Somebody is
तो
giving
क्या
us
सेटिंग में ऐसा
the.
कुछ नहीं.
एक मिनट sir, somebody is giving us the so it is necessary to exit all the students before we leave. Yes, learn and practice, ma'am. Please, I don't know your name. Please tell me your name. But in sudden
Shilpi ma'am.
connection, yeah. Who is she? Who is she?
Shilpi ma'am.
Yes, Shruti ma'am.
Shilpi math.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your option is right, but as Shikha ma'am was telling us, but in sudden connection break, we cannot leave all the students. Whenever, ma'am, we have the planned exit. Whenever we have a planned exit, we can leave. We can actually, we should end the meeting. Actually, as a host, we should remove all the candidates one by one, and then we should end the meeting. But when it's a case of power failure or your Wi-Fi connection error, in that case, it is tough. We cannot. Yes, sir. Sir, you were asking few questions.
मैम बस मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि सेटिंग्स में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि जैसे मैं लीव करूं तो बाकी के सारे बच्चे ऑटोमेटिकली बाहर निकल जाए.
सर इसमें भी नहीं है. सेटिंग्स में तो सर कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये वाली सेटिंग नहीं मिल रही है, जिसमें अगर टीचर निकल जाता है, उसने एक बार बच्चों को एक्सेप्ट किया है, तो सर वो रूम हमारा ओपन हो जाता है. एक्चुअली सर मैंने इसको प्रैक्टिकली भी अगर हम सोचें तो वंस वी हैव गिवन द एक्सेस, सो दैट इज द ओपन प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर देम. तो अभी तो वो अंदर आ ही चुके हैं विदाउट होस्ट, मतलब हम निकल गए तो एज अ होस्ट वी कैन rejoin any time, but once the students are admitted, there is no option that the meeting should forcefully end. फिर सर there is another option कि you can use it over the different networks, and उसमें से जाके you can end the meeting forcefully. उसमें से जाके you can switch the networks. जैसे लाइट चली गई मैं आपको बताती हूँ, लाइट चली गई में तो मैडम जितने भी हमारे वाईफाई कनेक्शंस होते हैं वो बंद हो जाते हैं, हमारे ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्शंस बंद हो सकते हैं. बट मैम द बेस्ट ऑप्शन इज योर मोबाइल नेटवर्क. तो मैम मोबाइल नेटवर्क से वो लिंक पे क्लिक करके व्हाट यू शुड डू, मोबाइल नेटवर्क को यूज करके यू शुड स्टार्ट द मीटिंग, एंड इफ यू आर नॉट हैविंग द गुड एक्सेस और गुड इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी, you can actually do the process of removing each and every participant and should officially end the meeting using your mobile network. So these are the options.
I tried it today, but I tried it.
Yes, ma'am.
I also tried that, but I was not so excited.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, the thing is, this is the struggling phase of the software developers of the application. This is the struggling phase of, as a teacher, you all are struggling, and as a students are also struggling at their end. And ma'am, the best part is to know that even software developers are struggling a lot to give us many features and the tools. because every now and then every other teacher will need a different tool for teaching. So that is also one of the very good challenges with the software developers.
That's true, ma'am. That's true.
Everybody is struggling at this phase, so we have to cooperate and help each other. Yes, ma'am. Any other doubt, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all for attending the lecture. I feel obliged.
Yes,
to
ma'am.
I
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
मैडम एक डाउट है, हम शेड्यूल मीटिंग करते हैं ना, तो उसका एक टाइम फिक्स होता है, लेकिन जब मैं फिर से वही लिंक करती हूँ, चाहे मैं कोई भी अगर मॉर्निंग में 6:30 भी करती हूँ, तो भी वो ऑटोमेटिकली वो फिक्स्ड नहीं रहता। आज मैंने वो टेस्ट भी किया कि जो हम शेड्यूल मीटिंग करते हैं वो फिक्स नहीं रहता,
मैम
तो उसको फिक्स करने के लिए हाँ,
उसमें मैम
अगर मैं ऑल डे करती हूँ तो भी ऐसा नहीं हो पाता। आज मॉर्निंग में भी ट्राई किया था, हमारे कलीग्स हैं उनके साथ ही ट्राई किया था, तो तब खुल गया। तो शेड्यूल मीटिंग करने का कोई मतलब फिर नहीं रहा, मुझे लगता है।
यस मैम शेड्यूल मीटिंग जब भी आप करें, तो अगर वो शेड्यूल मीटिंग आपकी रेगुलर बेसिस पे है, एवरी मंडे या फिर एवरी डे यू आर टेकिंग द क्लास एट अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम, तो मैम इन दैट केस यू शुड सेलेक्ट रिकरेंट मीटिंग ऑप्शन। मैम उसमें ऑप्शंस होते हैं, बट द थिंग इज यू एज द होस्ट कैन ओपन इट एनी टाइम। आप कर सकते हो मैम, मगर आपके कोई भी स्टूडेंट उसी टाइम पे आएंगे, द टाइम एट विच यू हैव शेड्यूल द मीटिंग। So that is true, ma'am. ये तो होना भी चाहिए ना. As a host, I should have the permission to access my meeting anytime, because you are scheduling the meeting for your participants, not for you. Am
Okay,
I?
so that schedule time will be for
Yes.
for that student only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thanks a lot, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. I hope I have answered all the related questions. If any other questions you can ask, or we can end the meeting now. And
Thank you so much.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.